Have you ever wished you could automate your website's search engine optimization, titles, meta descriptions, internal linking, without compromising quality? Well, today, I'm going to show you a tool that does exactly that. Introducing ClickRank AI. To get started, head over to ClickRank AI. Click this link. Sign up for your ClickRank AI account. You'll receive a JavaScript snippet to install on your site. If you're using WordPress, you'll want to install a free plugin called HFCM, Header Footer Code Manager. Paste the ClickRank code into the header section using that plugin and save your changes. Next, connect your site to Google Search Console. This is a required step because ClickRank uses actual search performance data to power its optimizations. Just authorize the connection and you're good to go. To verify the setup, return to your ClickRank dashboard. If everything's connected properly, it will show your site as active and ready for optimization. Please note, if you use ClickRank AI and later remove the JavaScript snippet or disable the HFCM plugin, all your search engine optimization settings for ClickRank AI will be deleted from your site. The dashboard is the first thing you will see. This gives you an overview of your site's search engine optimization performance, total clicks, impressions, CTR, and average search position. There's also a website health panel showing errors, warnings, and notices across your site. And one of the best features, a button labeled Fix SEO with one click. When you click it, ClickRank automatically applies fixes for the most common SEO issues, like missing titles, duplicate headings, or broken tags. In the Performance tab, you can dig deeper into search engine optimization analytics. You'll see charts tracking your clicks, impressions, average position, and CTR over time. ClickRank also shows a keyword distribution chart, breaking down how many keywords are in the top 3, top 10, top 20, and so on. This helps you easily identify what's performing well and what needs attention. ClickRank's campaigns feature is expertly designed to optimize and simplify bulk search engine optimization operations. You can optimize dozens or even hundreds of pages at once. Just select your pages, choose whether you want to update titles, meta descriptions, or schema, and launch your campaign. It's perfect for large websites or content agencies looking to scale quickly. ClickRank's audit tool does a full scan of your website and highlights search engine optimization issues by category. You'll see a breakdown of errors, warnings, and notices, along with your issue resolution progress. Even better, you can enable automation settings. Once that's turned on, ClickRank will automatically fix future issues as they appear, keeping your site optimized at all times without you lifting a finger. The keyword tracker monitors how your keywords rank over time. It shows daily, weekly, and monthly position changes, so you can easily measure your search engine optimization progress. Whether you're tracking 10 keywords or 1,000, this tool gives you clarity on what's improving and what might need extra work. Under keyword research, you can look up any keyword and get detailed insights. Search volume, CPC, competition level, search intent, it's all there. ClickRank even breaks it down by age, gender, and location, making it easier to target the right audience. This tool is super useful for content planning and search engine optimization strategy. Next is the Optimize section. The Optimization section provides a breakdown of each web page, including performance statistics and search engine optimization health indicators. You'll see areas like title tags, descriptions, alt text, and headers flagged for improvement. ClickRank gives you suggestions and lets you apply them instantly, either manually or automatically. It's fast and saves a ton of time. Last but not least is the Reports tab. Here, you can generate visual, client-ready reports showing everything from new keyword wins to top-performing queries and underperforming pages. You'll see winners versus losers comparisons by page or keyword, which are useful for improving your search engine optimization strategy or showcasing results to clients. ClickRank AI has earned a spot in my search engine optimization toolbox. It doesn't replace strategy, but it streamlines everything that used to take hours into just a few clicks. If you're serious about improving your search engine optimization with less effort, ClickRank is definitely worth checking out. If you want to give it a try, I've included my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more search engine optimization tips, and drop any questions down in the comments. Thanks for watching.